Hello coin collectors out there, welcome back to the Big D Coins channel. Hopefully everyone is having a great day as always. In today's video we are going to be looking at the red, the green, and the purple right here. Now these are all proof sets right here. These envelopes that we've looked at on the channel are uncirculated sets. So the proof sets will have the hard casing to them. The uncirculated sets will come in these little envelopes, and the coins will be in cellophane. So if you're interested in learning more about the uncirculated sets, just check out some of the other videos on the channel. These ones are going to be dated 1977. This one right here. We've got the 1987 and the 1997. In today's video, we will talk about the original value of these coins. So how much were they originally issued for the proof set, sold directly by the United States Mint. We'll also talk about the face value of the coins. Now keep in mind, the face value will change. Any guesses on why it will change from 1977 to 1987? There's actually one more coin in the 1977 that's not in the 87, and that will become obvious once we open up the 1977. We'll also talk about what they are selling for today, and we'll talk about the mintages of these 3 years right here. Let's start with the oldest first. The president at the time in 1977 was Gerald Ford. All right, and we're opening it up, and we've got the United States Mint seal right there, so that's a good sign. And it looks like it's going to be a black year for the United States Mint. Watch this. It opens up kind of like a little box. And inside we have the dime, the penny, the nickel, the quarter, the half dollar, and the dollar. Now this is what's going to be different between the 1977, the 1987, the 1997. Those 2 years, 87 and 97, do not have a dollar coin in them. So those are just the 5 coin sets, and as a result, those ones have a face value of 91 cents, and these ones have a face value of $1.91. There are 3,251,000 of these that were sold, and as you can see here, all of them, or let me zoom in a little bit so you can actually see what I'll talk about right here. Now these all should have the S mint mark on them. If you come across a proof coin that does not have the S mint mark on it, you might have hit the absolute jackpot. So we'll talk about at the toward the end of the video which years those are. Unfortunately, they are not 77, 87, or 97 that have known proofless S mint mark coins. Now it's most noticeable with the Ike dollar up here, but the proof coins have a different reflection to them in the fields of the coin. So they have like a mirror-like reflection in the background of the coin. Now this part of the coin right here, the actual portrait and the letters and the numbers, those are all frosted, and then in the back, as I'm trying to demonstrate, it has a mirror-like finish to it. So that's what separates, one of the things that separates a proof coin from a uncirculated coin or just your regular coin. As far as the proof sets for the 3 years that we're going to look at, might as well get those out of the way. So in 1977, there was just this proof set that was made. There was not a silver proof set that was made in 1977. So all of these coins right here, the half dollar, all of these ones on the top are going to be that copper nickel clad combination, and as well as the nickel and the dime. And this one right here will be the copper nickel as well, but obviously more copper in that. All right, we're moving on to the year 1987. Pop open the envelope that it comes in. It actually kind of matches the placemat that I've got in the back right here. We've got a purple year for the year 1987, and as you can see here, it does not have the Eisenhower dollar. The Eisenhower dollar, they cut that off to make way for the Susan B. Anthony dollar coin, which came out in 79, 80, and 81, and then 1999. So in 87, there were no dollar coins that were issued by the United States Mint. Now in 1987, they did make a proof coin set right here that we see right here. They also made a proof coin prestige set, and the mintages on that one are much lower. There are 3,972,000 of these 1987 proof sets that were made. For the prestige set, there were 435,000 of them, so those are going to be worth quite a lot more. I'm zooming in for you. We'll just do our quick check to make sure all of these have that San Francisco mint mark on them. And they do. All right, so we've got a nice cool purple casing for the year 1987. I will set that aside, and we will, of course, put those back together off air. All right, the final year of the trilogy, 1997. The president in 1997 was Bill Clinton. I forgot to mention the president in 1987 was Ronald Reagan. In 1997, there were a mintage of 1,975,000. So the mintages drop off quite a bit from 1987 to 1997. We go from 3.7 million to 1.9 million of these that were produced. Now I'm sliding it open right here. The original issue price for this set was $12.50, and the bad news is that they're selling for less than $12 currently. You can currently buy one of these on eBay for about $10, and that includes free shipping. Zooming in to check out these coins right here. We haven't looked at the reverse yet, so we'll do that. Doing our quick check to see if we can see any noticeable errors. All right, flipping it over to the reverse side. Now let's take a look at the back side of the Monticello right here. So you see how you can see the steps on Monticello? I'll point it out for you. We can actually see that they're pretty clearly defined, so that's a good indication right there. That means it's a well-struck coin. The other thing that you want to look at to determine if your coin was well-struck is the bands on the reverse side of the Roosevelt dime. So we have bands at the top right here and bands at the bottom. These, to get the full bands designation by PCGS, have to be kind of split. You should be able to see kind of a line going in between them, which we can. Here's a look at the reverse side of the quarter. It's very cool to see the mirror-like finish on the back, on the kind of the fields, and then the frosted finish on the elevated parts. And we also have included in this part right here, this is the little card that comes with your mint proof coin set. Now you can get, usually if you're going to buy these on eBay, you'll want to get this right here included with it. That just kind of shows that it's complete. Obviously this right here is authentic as well, but for a little bit more, you can get the full thing, which was sold directly by the mint, which is this little card right here, this right here, and then this envelope. And of course, you can buy them separately if you don't want to buy them all at the same time. But most people saved all of these together, so they'd be happy to sell you it all as one. Here's our certificate of authenticity. We've looked at this before on the channel, so nothing special there. All right, everyone, that's all the time we've got for today. We looked at the 1997, which was a green year for the United States Mint. We looked at 1987, which was purple, and then we looked at 1977, which came in this cool casing to it, which was black box and then red kind of felt on the back. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Enjoy. Best of luck coin collecting out there. Take care.